Hey everyone, it's James. Welcome to my Mexican house. Come in, come in. I want to give you some news, along with a bit of a house tour as well, because right now, you're probably thinking, let me close the door here. Number one, why are you in Mexico? James, I thought you were living in San Diego. And number two, why haven't you posted new videos in a while, even though you said you were going to post new videos coming soon? Well, come with me as I give you a bit of a tour and also go through that news. So, let me take you to the kitchen. This is our brand new house in Mexico. So, kitchen's this way, and there's Oscar with a nice little star on his head. Look how cute he looks. He's just come back from daycare. So, long story short, we as immigrants ourselves, who are legally residents in America, didn't really feel that welcome with the whole political situation going on. Myself being British, my wife being Mexican, we just didn't feel safe, especially coming back into America from vacations and everything else. And it got to a point where we thought, you know what, it'd be great to spend more time with Michelle's parents as well, who live here in Mexico. So we thought, why not just move here for a couple of years and just enjoy life? You know, we lived in Mexico City for a few years before moving to San Diego, so we thought, why not do it again? So here we are. This house, I'm not going to tell you how much it is per month, but you'll be shocked. I'll tell you at the end of this video. And while you're seeing this place, I want you to imagine how much this, or at least you think, this would cost, especially compared to American standards as well. I think you'll be pretty shocked. So this is the dining area. We've only been here for like a couple weeks. This is our brand new table, and we love it. You know, we love this table. The chairs are not ours, apart from 2 of them. We're still waiting on 6 of them. They haven't arrived yet. These are some of the landlord's chairs or whatever, right? So we're just using them for now. So this is the kitchen. Come with me. So again, we love this place. We think it's incredible. The high ceilings. You can probably tell by the echo of my voice. It's a pretty large space. I think it's bigger than the place we had in San Diego. And by the way, I just want to show you the difference of what it's like to live in Mexico versus America, because the media would have you believe that living in Mexico is just not as good as America, which is obviously not the case if you can see this type of place. So, coming to the living room here, we have a sofa, which, by the way, we've never had reclining chairs before. I've always been brought up in a family in England where we never had reclining chairs. And to me, this is a godsend. This is like the best thing ever. Best thing since sliced bread, being able to recline. Oh yeah. So, I'm very happy with this. But you can see all our memories here as well. We've got our wedding photo, and we've got a karaoke machine here as well. Just because Michelle, my wife, loves karaoke, and naturally that means I like it as well, right? And we have a side space here with some garden, and we also have a full rooftop as well, right? So this is the downstairs, and we also have upstairs as well. So let me go ahead and teleport us upstairs. The magic of teleportation, guys. So this is the upstairs, and I want to show you what it's like when you may not have like a dedicated room for an office or an office elsewhere, and you've got to try and fit an office into your house. So come with me this way. And we've got a couple bedrooms here. We've got 3 bedrooms upstairs. And currently, this is the office in the rather pink room, because this is eventually going to be my wife's little dressing room, vanity room type place. And this is my new desk, my new executive chair, and laptop where the magic happens. Most people in these tours, they say the bedroom's where the magic happens. I guess in our industry, it's like the laptop is where the magic happens, right? For the business. So yeah, you can see I've got my trusty microphone just hanging around. We haven't set anything up yet. This room is a mess, I apologize, but I was thinking at first, you know, it could be okay having a desk in the corner of this room, but then I thought, no, I need an entire room for all the videos I'm going to be recording for you guys coming up in the next few months once we are finally settled, because it's been a lot. So come with me this way. This is the final office, I guess. I might have a little sign here for digital prosperity, but come in. So this was painted about 3 hours ago. So the fumes are still a bit interesting. But I'm going to have my desk here. So when I'm looking at this room, I'm thinking like, what is the best place I can sit for the best lighting, the best amount of space where I can set up cameras and like lights for the cameras and everything else. So I'm thinking my desk here, so I can have this backdrop of the wall here, some shelves either side of me, like I used to in San Diego, right? And then I've got room here for lights to set up, a camera, and if I do want to record some videos standing up, if you do a little swivel around there, Michelle, we have this space on the wall here where I'm thinking I could be talking here and just thinking, hey everyone, welcome to this video. I'm going to show you X, Y, Z. And this could be a nice little space for recording videos standing up. Or a little podcast area. So I could be sitting here like this in a chair, talking to the camera like a podcast. So these are the things I'm thinking, is the lighting good, is the spacing good, does it work? And honestly, I'm so excited. So I am living in Mexico now for a little bit, maybe a couple of years, but I do plan to return to America. Actually, do you guys want to see the bedroom as well? Have a look, come on. And we've got the bathroom upstairs as well. This is going to be the bathroom for the office. There we go. Just got Michelle in the pajamas here. No worries at all. So we have our bedroom here as well. This is the master bedroom. So we have a giant bed. Like, this is probably the biggest bed I've ever seen in my life, with a whole backboard thing. And when we saw it, we were like, is this too big? And we were like, no, it's fine. Because we were planning on having some furniture over here, which has become the cat's little play area. Which is fun at 6 a.m. in the morning. And then we have a nice bathroom here as well. So again, try and imagine how much this would cost in America, right? So we have dressing area here. This one's obviously mine, obviously. And we have all of the storage space here, but I want to show you the shower because, again, this is the kind of thing where in America, we've never had this type of finish with the marble. It just feels like a hotel. When you go to a nice hotel, like a 5-star hotel, you get all the fancy lights and you get the marble and everything. And look at this shower, it looks incredible, right? So, yeah, I just wanted to give you that update on where I am now, what's going on. That's why you haven't heard from me in a while, purely because we've been getting this place ready. We basically furnished an entire 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, massive space house in a couple weeks. Like, we've finished, it was an empty house. We just had to furnish the entire place, and it's been a real struggle, especially when everything takes so long to arrive in Mexico compared to America. So we've had to deal with that. But it's been fun. Oh, and also, now you have seen the full place, with the exception of the rooftop, which is the full width and also the full length of the building, which is incredible. I do plan on turning that into a garden oasis to enjoy the sun, but what do you think this would cost in America if it was in a nice city like it is here in Mexico? We're roughly an hour away from Mexico City. What do you think it would cost, right? Well, we were paying $6,000 a month for our 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom house in San Diego. Here, we are paying $1,800 for this massive place. I know some people living in San Diego definitely don't have this amount of space and they're paying more than that, and they are in an apartment or something else like a condo, right? So honestly, I can't believe it. I'm thrilled. We didn't even see the place in person before we found it. We actually did a video call, so we were crossing our fingers and hoping that we actually got the place that we put the deposit down for, and we didn't even sign the contract for it until the day we arrived because it needed to be done in person. So it was all a bit nerve-wracking, and this is exactly why you haven't heard from me in a while, because I have just been so busy furnishing this entire place and dealing with everything and getting handymen in here to fix random things and put up mirrors and really boring stuff that I haven't had chance to do the stuff I want to do with work. But now that's 90% done, I'm now able to start recording videos and start helping you guys out more for free, aside from just helping my clients, right? So hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you love this place, give it a thumbs up. If you are not already subscribed and you want to see the videos I've been referencing for a while, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.